In this video, we will show the best Rakhi making materials on Rakshabandhan available to buy. At number 8. Beadsnfashion Butterfly Charms. The product on display is an acrylic bead. It is made of plastic with 10 mm size, which enhances the beauty of your jewelry. At number 7. AM Metal Golden Ball Chain. It is high-grade golden ball chain. It is pack of good quality, shiny ball chain to enhance jewelry pieces, highly used to decorate bangles and earrings. At number 6. Acrylic Marble Heart Beads. It is ideal as a gift for an experienced jewelry maker or creative minds looking for a new hobby. It is 100% brand new and high quality. At number 5. Imprint's Narrow Satin Fabric Ribbon. Narrow ribbons are very useful with various applications of satin ribbons such small gift packing, small flowers, bows, Rakhi, wristband making and so on. At number 4. Beadsnfashion Acrylic Ohm Beads. It is made of plastic, which enhance the beauty of your jewelry. These beads can be used in making jewelry, embroidery, craft articles, home decor and many other creative innovative ideas. At number 3. Mohit Rakhi Pompom Ball. It is the perfect for necklaces, earrings, bracelets, pins, hair accessories, keychains, cell phone pendant or any arts and craft project. At number 2. SJRI Rakhi Making Kit. You can make these or unique designs of your choice and imagination. Excellent golden material gives high shine to your Rakhis. At number 1. Beadsnfashion CCB Round Beads Copper. This pack of acrylic bead will give nice look to your jewelry. Size 6 mm, pack of 2 string.